take a deep breath and let the world fade away. You've arrived at a place of total restoration. Today, we aren't just cleaning, we are resetting. We are bringing comfort and clarity back to where it's needed most. Stay with me, listen to the quiet, and watch the transformation begin. There is a unique peace in the details. Every careful movement is designed to bring relief. Watch as we gently clear away the weight of the day, revealing the freshness hidden underneath. It's a slow, rhythmic process of turning chaos into order. Can you feel the pressure lifting? To achieve this level of care, the right tools are essential. I've selected my professional favorites to make this session as perfect as possible. If you'd like to bring this same quality to your own routine, I've linked all my essentials in the description and tagged them below. Good tools are the foundation of great results. We are reaching the end of our journey. The surface is smooth, the edges are clean, and the harmony is back. It's It's amazing how much a little focused care can change the way everything feels. Take one last look at this perfect result. Thank you for sharing this peaceful nail care moment with us. If you enjoy soothing ASMR, satisfying trimming sessions, and relaxing content designed for sleep, calm, and pure visual comfort,